Recharge forest, restoring the jungle, restoring balance. Once, the forest was full of life. Trees gave fruits, shade, water, and shelter. Wild animals lived peacefully inside the jungle, and people lived safely beside it. When the forest was full, in a healthy forest, animals do not need to enter human farms. The jungle itself provides food, water, shelter, and freedom. Food, shelter, and freedom. Monkeys enjoy fruits in the trees. Deer find grass and leaves. Elephants move freely. The forest is their home, and their needs are met inside it. Farms in peace. Nearby, people grow their crops. Corn, paddy, wheat, and fruits are safe. The forest feeds the animals, and the farms feed the people. The forest begins to fall. Then the forest began to disappear. Trees were cut without control. The jungle became thinner, weaker, and drier. When nature loses its protection, without roots to hold the soil, landslides began. Without moisture and shade, fire spread. The forest lost its strength. Hunger enters the forest. The animals did not become enemies of people. They became hungry. Their food was gone. Their homes were destroyed. Conflict begins. With nothing left in the jungle, animals moved toward human farms. They ate corn, bananas, fruits, and stored food. A few hours, a year of loss. In only a few hours, hectares of crops can be destroyed. Farmers guard their fields day and night, but they cannot win against hunger. When farms become empty, slowly people leave. Fields become barren. Houses become empty. A living village turns silent. From forest to dust. When forests disappear, water disappears, soil disappears, life disappears. The land slowly moves toward desert. The beginning of recharge forest. But the story does not have to end in loss. People can rebuild the forest by planting food trees for wildlife and restoring natural habitats. Food returns. Life returns. Over time, the jungle becomes alive again. Fruits return. Shade returns. Water returns. The animals find food inside the forest again. Balance comes back. When the forest feeds them, animals do not need to destroy human farms. They return to their own space. People and wildlife can live side by side. Recharge forest. Recharge life. Recharge forest means restoring the jungle so it can once again support wildlife, protect water, hold soil, and save human life. Saving the forest is not only about saving trees, it is about saving animals, farmers, villages, water, soil, and the future. Recharge forest, a practical path to reduce human-wildlife conflict and restore life.